The sun was setting, painting the sky in beautiful shades of orange and purple. Amina walked hand in hand with her mother, Miriam, as they returned home from the mosque. The evening air felt cool and peaceful. Just as they reached the big wooden gate of their home, Amina stopped. She tilted her head to one side and stayed very still. "Do you hear that, Mama?" she whispered, pointing toward a bush. Under a dusty bush near the gate, a tiny kitten was huddled. It was very small, with messy gray fur and thin little legs. It looked very lost and lonely in the shadows. The little cat looked up at Amina and opened its mouth. "Meow," it cried softly. It was a very sad sound. The kitten was shivering, and its tummy looked very empty. Amina felt a tug at her heart. She ran quickly into the house and went straight to the kitchen. She poured some fresh, white milk into a bright blue bowl and took a small piece of soft bread from the basket. Amina walked back outside, moving very slowly so she wouldn't scare the kitten. She knelt on the soft grass and placed the bowl down. "Here you go, little one," she said gently. "I will call you Mish Mish." Mish Mish began to lap up the milk with his pink tongue. Then he started to nibble on the soft bread. He was so happy to finally have a meal that his tiny, thin tail started to wiggle back and forth. Miriam watched her daughter and smiled warmly. She placed a gentle hand on Amina's shoulder. "In Islam, showing kindness to animals is a very good deed," she said. "Allah loves those who are kind to all living things." Every evening after that, Amina made sure to bring a bowl of food and water for Mish Mish. As the days passed, the kitten's fur became shiny and soft. He grew stronger and his little legs became sturdy. Now Mish Mish is a playful, healthy cat who waits by the gate for Amina every single day. Amina learned that even a small act of love can make a big difference, and she knows that being kind makes the whole world brighter.